How's it going, guys? Dalton with Jaspertronics, and I'm just going to do a quick tutorial video for you guys on these little vacuum and air compressor that we have now. They're a little electric air compressor. It has a vacuum mode and a blowing air compressor mode. Some people are having a little bit of difficulties figuring out how to get it put together to actually do the second function, the air compressor blowing mode. So I'm just going to show you guys right quick how to do this. So the first thing is you've got this back piece right here. This just kind of twists on and kind of clips in place like that. This actually goes to where the front is on the vacuum, so that's where the confusion comes from. So this switches the direction that it goes through. So we take this little nozzle attachment, this goes right here. Works pretty good. This is the other nozzle attachment that goes for that mode. You can also use this one, and it also does the thing. Not as well, but this nozzle attachment's pretty good. I really like this one. This one's got a lot of power behind it, and this is the one that I use for practically everything now. Love this. So that's how you get that assembled. That's how this works. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave questions down below. Make sure to like the video if you liked it. This one's more of a quicker one, just kind of showing you how to get this assembled. And thanks again. See you later, guys.